as well as your body. Can you lie next to her and confess your love, as well as your falling? Can you kneel before this king and say, I'm clean, but tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? Oh, tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? White blank page and a swelling praise. You did not think when you sent me to the brain. You desired my attention, but denied my affections, So tell me now, where was my fault in